Hello guys, in today's video we showcasing a true marvel of smartphone innovations. Phonemax, a new Chinese manufacturer of rugged devices, has just unveiled its latest masterpiece, the R4GT. This compact 4.3-inch smartphone holds the title of the world's smallest rugged phone, equipped with both thermal imaging and night vision capabilities. It also features a built-in walkie-talkie function for seamless communication in the toughest conditions. Powered by the impressive MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, this little powerhouse is ready to tackle any challenge. So without further ado, let's dive into the full review of the Phonemax R4GT and discover what makes this device truly exceptional. Well, let's start with unboxing. In this simple box, which I assume it's only for our reviewers, we find three things, which are a SIM pin, USB Type-C cable and a charger. That was the contents of the box. Let's move on to our smartphone. Let's start with the exterior. The Phonemax R4GT is a real little tank in a pocket size. It dimensions of 121 by 59 by 80.3 mm and weighing of only 190 grams makes it incredibly compact for a robust phone. It's completely covered in a comfortable rubber case. Even all the buttons are rubber. This design and build quality of the Phonemax instantly makes it stand out, especially with this neon green detail around the screen. On the right side we can find the three more traditional placed volume rubber buttons, and below them it's a power button. On the opposite side, under the rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistance, we find a SIM card drawer which has two slots for as many of 2 4G cards or option of the one SIM and one memory card of up to 520 GB. This button below is a customizable button and also can be used as a PTT walkie-talkie button. You can use it to quickly start one of the applications or functions in the smartphone. You can program this custom key for as many as 3 functions in your phone, which will then be activated with the function on a 1 press, 2 press or long press option. On the bottom side we still find USB Type-C port protected by a rubber cover that ensures a waterproof seal when the charging cable is removed, and there is also speakers and microphone holes. Don't be fooled by its size. This device is certified to the highest industry standards for durability thanks to its IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD-810H military standard. The Phonemax R4GT is resistant to dust, water, shocks and vibrations. Is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it ideal for working in the toughest conditions. Phonemax R4GT comes with a 4.3-inch screen with a 30 megapixel front-facing camera located in a teardrop notch, perfect for occasional selfies and video calls. This 4.3-inch screen is very compact compared to the modern smartphones, but it fully suits the rugged design and the field use. The screen is designed for reliability in a variety of conditions, including direct sunlight. In terms of display technology, the LCD panel offers a good image sharpness with natural color and a good contrast. The screen resolution of 540 by 1200 pixels, which is solid for this size and enables the display of basic information in a clear and reviewed manner. Perhaps writing messages will be a little more difficult for those of us with bigger fingers, but that is not so important for those users of this type of smartphone. The R4GT comes with 3 cameras on the back. The 64 megapixel main camera delivers brilliant sharpness and vibrant colors, allowing you to capture every moment in incredible details. But that's not all. R4GT has a built-in thermal camera that records at a resolution of 256 by 192 pixels. With this function you can see the heat signature of any object, or you simply want to find a source of heat. This camera is incredibly useful for professionals working in the field, but also for enthusiasts who want to explore the invisible world around them. Its 20 megapixel infrared night camera lets you to see in the dark. No matter how dark it is, the phone delivers crystal clear shots, ideal for nature lovers or those who working in low light conditions. To get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out the sample photos and videos we took using our Phonemax R4GT, so let's take a look. The R4GT is not just a rugged phone with impressive cameras. Under the hood hides a real powerful machine for everyday tasks. This device comes with the Android 14 operating system, which provides you with the latest features and the latest optimization that make the user experience faster and more efficient. With Android 14 you can improve its battery optimization, security updates, and with support for the latest Google features and advanced privacy controls, your data is safe and the phone is easy to use. All these functions are supported by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, a chipset that brings the excellent balance between performance and energy efficiently. The Helio G99 is built on a 6nm process, which means that it's optimized for faster performance of tasks with a lower power consumption. This octa-core processor works at the clock speed of 2.2 GHz, allowing you to quick launch applications, smoothly surf the internet, and watch videos or stream content without interruption. Despite its modest dimensions, manage to offer enough power for games and more demanding applications. For multitasking and running multiple apps at the same time, there is 8GB RAM, upgradable of up to 60GB of RAM with virtual memory, which ensures smooth operations without slowing down. There is a 128 GB of internal storage, expandable of up to 520 GB via microSD card, meaning you'll never run out of space to store photos, videos, apps and other important data. Phone is equipped with a 3200 mAh battery that supports fast charging, so you can quickly return to the field without long charging breaks. In addition, the device comes with a 50-watt wireless charging. The R4GT did not skimp on additional functionalities that are standard in the smartphones today. There is a NFC support. With the Bluetooth 5.0 you have a fast and a stable wireless connection to your device, while the Wi-Fi 5 ensures a stable and fast internet connection when you are connected to a home network on a public Wi-Fi. When you're on the move, the R4GT uses a comprehensive satellite navigation system including GPS, GLONASS, Beidou and Galileo, giving you the most accurate location no matter where you are. This is ideal for adventurers and frequent travelers. Ultimately, the Phonemax R4GT is a credible, versatile, rugged phone that offers much more than just durability. Its combination of rugged design, advanced cameras, powerful processor and useful features like wireless charging and walkie-talkie capabilities make it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable device for adventures or working in difficult conditions. For the price, the Phonemax R4GT delivers a great value for users who don't want to risk their main expensive smartphones during extreme activities but still need the key functionalities of a modern smartphone. That's all for now. Don't forget like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye.